l'OSI, et nous continuons notre tour d'horizon. Alors, les entreprises dont nous venons de parler font partie de Startup Mannheim, avec FLUX MS également, et Michel Sin qui nous présente donc FLUX MS.
Hello everybody, and thank you for this chance. So let's start. My name is Ulrich Dreyer, and I'm a part of the FLUX MS team. So what is FLUX and what is MAS? Let's start with MAS. MAS, Manufacturing Execution System, is the ERP for the production. If you want to organize, plan, optimize, and digitize your production, you have to use a MAS. But what is FLUX MAS? I will told you. We are like the loaners in SAP Business Planning, but we're also talking to the machines. It's a paperless modular software which covers every process in your company, and it's digital from the order to production and delivery. FLUX MAS is changing the way and means of production. FLUX MAS enables companies to produce faster, produce more resource efficiently, and full automated. MAS is not a new topic in this business, but we have to revolutionize how to plan the production, away from a lot of manual effort without knowing exactly what is happening in production, towards intelligent, skill-based, and fully automated planning. Intelligent, skill-based planning, I'll try to explain it. In FLUX MS, every article knows its way through the production based on skills. It's like your navigation system in your car or like Google Maps. You decide whether you want to take the fastest, shortest, or cheapest route. In front of a traffic jam, you will be suggested alternate routes that you can consider or ignore. FLUX has a similar principle. It knows several routes through your production. You can decide what is your planning strategy. Is it a fast, a cheap, or a resource-saving production strategy? In the event of faults or like the traffic jam, the article developed its own solution and defined a new route through production and optimized this way constantly. Revenue drivers in our business model are primarily consulting and the sale of licenses. Service and implementation are only a small part of this. Our partners in industry and research and our pilot customers support us especially during the first year of market entry and market studies. This is in this way we can prove our software, create KPIs for reference, and get a multiplier. So thank you very much. Become a part of FLUX, and I hope we'll meet you later. See you. Thank you.
Ces entreprises, on pourrait les rencontrer en B2B, Stéphane, cet après-midi aussi.
Oui, voilà. Oui, toutes ces entreprises seront présentes voilà, dans l'action qu'on monte avec TPM et la ville de Toulon. Donc voilà, n'hésitez pas à venir discuter avec ces entreprises. C'est vraiment une occasion unique.